Hello everyone. So today in Microsoft Excel we are going to look how to calculate the mean, median, mode and standard deviation of the data we are presented with. So today I am presented with the students mark sheet data. Let us see how many students we have. So we are going to select them and we can see we have around 30 students. So we all know how to calculate mean, median, mode. We have studied this in school, but we do not know how to calculate it in Excel. So we are going to look first in marks in maths out of 100. So these students, if you want to calculate their average marks they have got in math, we can simply select their data, the marks data, and we can check here that the average is 84.9. But if we want to do it through formula, we can also check by typing average. So we can see we have this average here, which is also the arithmetic mean. Then again we need to select the data of which we need the average. So and click enter. You can see 84.9. We also saw this down here, and again we can see that the average is 84.9. So it's the same thing. Then if you want to calculate the median, which is the middle value in a data. So if we see the marks in physics and we want to calculate its median, again we can use a formula, type median, and here we have got the median formula. We will select the data again and click enter. So 88 is the middle number which is coming in this data values. So we calculated median as well. And then if we want to calculate the mode is the most frequently coming value in a data. So if we want to calculate the most frequently coming number, most frequently marks, the most frequently occurring marks in chemistry, we can again use formula and type mode. So this one is the mode, which is the most frequently occurring or repetitive value. So if we click this one and then select our data, so we selected our data, we will click enter, and 88 is again the mode. So our median and mode are the same again. Now if we want to calculate the standard deviation, so again let us go to maths. If you want to calculate what is the standard deviation is basically the deviation of marks from a particular from the average. What is the deviating marks? If you want to calculate that, we can use the standard deviation formula. So for that we will use this formula, this one. So it estimates the standard deviation based on sample. So if we click that and then select the data and click enter, so we will get the standard deviation. So 5.906 etc is our standard deviation. So this is how you calculate mean, median, mode and standard deviation in Excel. So it is quite easy and like very easy to use in this Excel. You can simply understand and you can simply use it in like only 5 or 10 seconds. You just need to use the formula and you can find whatever statistical data you want. So it is very easy to use. I hope you all understood the concept of how to use this, how to use these statistical formulas. Thank you so much for watching this video.